450,000 dirhams for 7 years directly from the developer is the longest payment plan in Dubai where you can own your own apartment. Down payment being only 45,000 dirhams. The project is located in Warsan area, being only 15 minutes away from downtown Dubai. The project contains 5 buildings connected to amazing facilities such as a swimming pool, gym, football courts, basketball courts, tennis courts, barbecue areas, kids play area, etc. For more information, call us and rely on the Wolf.